Are you ready to upgrade your daily life? Here are 10 mini smart gadgets you'll actually use every single day. Number 1, a mini smart key finder.
Where are my
Never lose your
keys?
keys again. Just tap your phone and it starts beeping
Found them.
instantly. Number 2, a portable mini blender. Fresh smoothies anywhere, anytime. Perfect for busy mornings. Number 3, a smart fingerprint door lock. No more keys, just one touch and you're inside. Number 4, a mini fast-charging power bank. Small in size, but powerful enough to save your day. Number 5, a smart mini CCTV camera. Keep your home safe and monitor everything from your phone. Number 6, a mini electric screwdriver. Quick repairs made easy and effortless. Number 7, a smart mini projector. Turn any wall into a cinema screen in seconds. Number 8, a mini air purifier. Clean air wherever you go. Number 9, a smart water bottle with temperature display. Know exactly how hot or cold your drink is. And number 10, a mini
You can't keep running
GPS
forever.
car tracker.
What
Track
choice
your
do I
vehicle
have?
anytime, anywhere. Which gadget is your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to